Hi guys, this is Tien. I'll be demonstrating a feature called adding templates. So the idea behind this is some RB tool commands like patch and land uh, allow you to commit something and they generate a commit message for you. So the idea is to let users define their own commit messages through templates. And what I used was the Jinja 2 templating language. So I'll be demonstrating this through a command called RBT which takes a review request ID as an argument and applies the diff in that review request to your current working directory. As you can see right now, I'm in a test directory which has T7 templates as a directory and a test template file. And I've already created a review request of ID 92. You can see the diff here, which just has 3 new files, T1, T2, and T3. So what RBT patch will do is apply those changes, which should bring T1, T2, and T3 to our current working directory, and it will commit it to, this is what, and we are telling it to commit as well, so it will generate predefined kind of commit message. This was all hard coded. So that was the previous behavior of RBT patch with commit. We will reset the head. And this is all my work. These are my commits. So I will move the head toward to this Tien template thing right here to show the differences before and after, I guess. So now you can specify your own template. And what that did was it took the template in test template.py, which is this file. You can see the first line. This is in test template.py. It doesn't have to be a Python file. This is just any text file. So you can see the Jinja 2 templating language. You can specify, you can throw in variables and you can access the attributes of those variables as you need. And you can and there's logic around it that you can basically you can play around with variables. And there are multiple ways to specify where you would want the directory to be, and so you can have a default template. You can specify your templates directory, stuff like that. But basically, the idea is now you can have your own templating, your own templates for generating commit messages. Right, that was my first project, and the second one I'm working on has to do with diffs. So normally diffs will look like this, look something like this. So the left side here is the original file. The right side here is the new file, and underneath the original file we fetch from for example, I'm using Git, so I don't using GitHub. I don't know about other services. So GitHub, there's an API to grab this stuff, and the patch file, I mean the diff, is stored on our database, and from those two, this new patch file could be calculated. But if something happens, so if either the API fails, it gives back garbage, or the diff is broken and the patch fails, then there's this kind of unhelpful traceback. The patch to some file didn't apply cleanly. temporary files have been left in there. And yeah, so my next project will be to kind of make this prettier. This is not very helpful the way it is right now. And I've already looked at the stack trace. Yeah, and I kind of know what's going on behind the scenes, and I'll be working on this for the next 2 months, and hopefully my next demo will be I guess more interesting. Thanks.